Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a solo date. And when I sat down to think about the recording of this video, I said, okay, I'm gonna go to South Park Mall, which is here in Charlotte. Then I'm gonna go to Cheesecake Factory for lunch. When I woke up this morning, I said, I don't wanna go to the mall. It's pretty, it's fancy, it's lovely, but I don't wanna go. And then I said, Cheesecake Factory, yeah, but no. I don't wanna spend money like that. Like, I don't wanna spend that much money. So, here we are in my bedroom, and we're gonna do a solo date. And I'm so excited. First of all, I got this amazing projector. Okay, you guys know I don't have a TV in my room. So when they reached out to me and asked me if I would like a projector, I said, yes, ma'am, immediately. Because how cutesy is a projector? Oh, I love it. And this connector that I have with it allows me to be able, it's like a smart TV. And I love it. It's gonna go on this wall right here, so we've gotta take all these things down. But I cannot recommend this projector enough. I have loved it so much. And I don't want a TV in my room because if I have a TV in here, I know that I'm going to watch it. And my bedroom is my sanctuary. It's the place where I come to sleep, and I want it to be relaxing. And I feel like with the TV, it's just not relaxing. So for me, a projector is the perfect thing to have in my bedroom. And it is just so fun. In my opinion, it's a summer essential, especially if you have kids and you have a backyard, or if you don't have a backyard and it's a rainy night or it's a humid, hot night and you don't want to be bothered with the bugs or anything like that. You could put this on any wall, set it up, and you can watch your favorite movies. You can watch Netflix, YouTube, whatever a smart TV is gonna have. I thought about it and I said, I'm gonna watch Dirty Dancing. And as I'm setting up the projector to connect it to Peacock and all that stuff, I'm sitting here so giddy. I'm like, because I'm so excited that I'm gonna watch, like, this is my kind of solo date idea. And this is the kind of solo date that I want to do that makes my heart happy and makes me excited. And in my opinion, if you're doing a solo date and you're dreading it and it's like, it feels like a chore, that's not the right solo date for you. Solo dates do not have to be you getting out of the house and doing certain things. I do feel sometimes you do need to do that, especially if you're trying to step out of your comfort zone. But if you want like a cozy, just you really need to decompress and relax, think of whatever that solo date would be that sets your soul on fire, that gets you excited. You're so excited to go on this solo date with yourself. That is your solo date. So this is mine. Let's get into it. from Yaber, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's portable. You do have to plug it in order to charge it, but you can make your screen as big or as little as you would like. You also have volume control. You can have the different apps with the HDMI connector, and I just absolutely love this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And it does help to tilt it back a little bit. So I just have my Kindle right here. I'm just gonna set it up on my Kindle. It auto focuses. Hold on. So I'm gonna show the angle from this way. This is what I'm looking at. You can also rent movies. I love this thing. Like look, Prime Video, Disney Plus, you've got Netflix, Disney Plus, Free Play, Hulu, Tubi. You connect it to Google. You connect it to Google Play, and it just has all this stuff. And then you can add apps. They show you the top selling movies. So if I wanted to actually, so if I actually wanted to watch a movie that's in the theater right now, I can go ahead and rent a movie. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want to spend any money, but I really wanted to see this movie. This one right here, Sinners. But yeah, you can rent your movies, you can do however. So you can watch the trailer. Let me turn off the lights. Is that not so freaking cool? And then here with the remote, you can turn it up.
Spirits from the past.
Will somebody take me? Listen here. This ain't no house party. Y'all ready to drink?
So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the room nice and cozy and get this solo date started. I carried a watermelon. The best part of my solo date right here, this has been an incredible solo date. This was way more enjoyable and I had way more fun than I would have had if I were out and I would have went to the mall and to Cheesecake Factory. I enjoyed this so much more. My projector, like, this is such a vibe right here. I have it so romantic and chill and vibey, and it's just perfect. I'm ending my solo date with a pint of this delicious s'mores protein ice cream from Target. It is insanely good. It's only 390 calories for this entire container. By far my favorite protein ice cream. It is so good. It's so good. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it has inspired you to take some time to go do you. Find out whatever it is. Do you like to go rock climbing? Then make a day of it. Go take yourself out to lunch, or go do something fun and then go rock climbing. Whatever it is that you like to do, go and do that. There's no rules, there's no parameters, there's no anything that you have to do other than find something that you enjoy and spend some time alone, pampering yourself, loving on yourself, reminding yourself how important that you are. I have gotten into solo dates within the last year or so, and it's something that I genuinely never thought that I would do. But the solo dates out, I have to get out of my comfort zone so much. But I'm so proud of myself for doing those. And then the ones that I do here, whether it's a movie night and I pop popcorn and I have some Smart Sweets, or I make myself a delicious dinner and I get my wine glass out and I drink water or soda out of it, and I eat and I listen to music and I just enjoy time with myself. Like, however it is that I choose to do a solo date, like, I just have thoroughly enjoyed them. So that's why when I woke up this morning and I said, I don't want to go to the mall, I don't want to go to Cheesecake Factory, I knew there's something else that you're needing. There's something else that's going to make you so much happier and this was just, it was perfect. I mean, I watched my favorite movie on a projector. Now I have this going. I don't know if you can really see it much, but it's that living room right there. Oh, it's so cozy, and I would love my living room to look like that. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you save this video, and that way you can come back to it if you need any ideas on solo. Well, this isn't like a solo date idea, but you want some inspiration to go on a solo date and you need some motivation, save it so you can come back and watch it. And make sure you share this with someone that you think needs to go on a solo date. And I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.